So I wanted to do a quick update on the Bluick. The computer that I edit the videos with is probably not going to be doing that anymore. So for the time being anyways, I can't really do my normal thing and splice videos together and all that, but I figure I'd give some updates on what's going on at least. I went and I dropped off a bunch of stuff with the sandblast guy, and just because I had to farm some of this out, it was getting to be way too much for me to do. And so I got to really hustle and get some primer on these. I've been banging out this. This is the spot in the front where the left hand, the driver's side was caved in. So I kind of had to do a bunch of hammer and dollying on that. And there's a running board. Here's the front door I'm working on. Changing some metal, changing some wood. Where we left off last time was I was painting, and so pretty much this is what I got right now. The color I went with for the top is a 34 color. It's called Freedom Blue, and it was 34 Buick, and of course we have the Bluick Blue, Alaskan Blue, or whatever it was called. So I got all this shot out. I was able to wet sand and buff that out pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with the top. I'm really happy with the color combo, and it's a lot of work to pull all this off. And I did screw up with one of my tape lines, but what are you gonna do? Have to fix it. Of course we have to fix it. And still have more to do on everything, of course. Yeah, there I am. So yeah, that's kind of how that's shaping up. So what I have left to do is I have to do the body panels and pieces, the doors, the fenders, the running boards, and get them on. And I just have to do the hood. And got our door on. Gap's looking pretty good. This one here, I went in and I patched the skin on the front, and I had to make a little extra support thing here because these doors are just kind of weak. So this is getting ready to go into prime, and I think I'm pretty good. Everything seems to fit together pretty nicely there. And here's the back fender, which unfortunately doesn't have all the dents banged out of it, but I'm gonna have to prime it and then deal with the dents later. I got the major collisions knocked out of it, but there's still some flat spots in here. It's got to come out a little bit. And I may or may not have fixed the pinhole area with lead. We'll go with probably didn't. And what else? Is there any other Bluick updates that I can think of off the top of my head? Yeah, I think that's about it. The wheels are always in motion at the Bluick headquarters. So there's this stuff here. I had the sandblast guy do all the trims for the vent windows, and there's a lot of stuff in here that needs to get re-chromed. Paul, if you got those things, let me know if you ever find them. But there's I got to redo all these vent windows. They're all peeling up really bad. Window door regulator things. Window regulator. And that's it. I'm going to call it. I hope everybody has a nice Christmas holiday season, whatever it's supposed to be. And we'll catch you at some point in the future.